It's easy to connect the Bridge 360 to any Okta product. First, make sure that the swivel base is unlocked. It's unlocked when the arrow is lined up with the unlocked symbol. Then, hold the swivel base by its top two sections. Push it down and turn it to the right. Engage the locking ring by turning the bottom ring to the left until the lock symbol and the arrow are aligned. You can turn the ring past the symbol if your swivel base will allow. When you're setting up, it may be easiest to connect the arm to the tablet first. Leave the articulating arm unlocked. Hold your tablet in one hand. Then connect the other side to the base. In this example, we're using the gravity plate. To remove the Bridge 360, simply rotate the locking ring to the right until the arrow and the unlock symbol are aligned. Hold the swivel base, push down, and turn left. You can now fold up the arm, and you can lock it for easy storage and transport.